treble crochet decrease, or treble crochet 2 together. When you're making a treble crochet decrease, what you're doing is taking 2 stitches below and ending up with 1 stitch on top. This is done by making most of a treble in one stitch, and then moving on and making most of a treble in the next stitch, and finishing them together. It's pretty easy if you understand the pattern. Let's do it together. Begin by yarning over twice, and inserting your hook into the stitch where your decrease will begin. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. There are 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over twice, and insert your hook into the next stitch that will complete the decrease. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. There are 3 loops on the hook, and both legs are of equal height. Yarn over and pull through all 3 to join the 2 stitches and complete the decrease.